Hey guys, what's going on? Dustin Fugate here from Initiative. Welcome to your Monday morning, June 28th morning wake up call. We go through our watch list, look at today's movers and gainers, and just kind of see what's going on in the overall markets. Right now, SPUs are a little bit flat. We're up, it's still green, but a little bit flat, 6.5. NASDAQ up around 53. You have the Dow up a whopping 2 right now. So let's just kind of see what we're going. Where's all the volume buzzing right now? Well, it's all in Carnival right now. 27.49. We are still relatively overbought in here. RSI 35. Stochastics in here 36. Oh, I'm sorry. That is the 30-minute chart, daily chart. Here we go. This is what we want to look at. Stochastics in here 12. RSI 26, 25. We are just below that lower trend line. We have to see if we can hold that today. It's going to be a battle. You can see that we started off opening right at that 9-day EMA and that 50-day moving average, and we're currently rejecting that right now. So we're going to see if we can hold this going forward, this lower trend line here, and then work our way up and cross those moving averages once more. REGN, we're up 570 right now, a little overbought in here. 3 green candles in a row. We're going to see if we can get a nice little pullback in here. Nike, everybody's got to talk about Nike. We're currently trading right around 153.75 right now, looking for a pullback in here. We do have a trade idea in here that we placed or that we put out yesterday. So we're going to see if we can go ahead and get filled on that today. It's going to be our Dustin Fugate Bad Bear spread. So we're looking for a slight little pullback in here. Going forward, FedEx as well. You got some volume in here. RSI 43, Stochastic 63. Currently trading right around 293.50. Obviously, off of earnings, it's probably just going to consolidate, sit around here for a little bit. But we'll have to wait and see. Our Iron Condor in here expired worthless last week. That is 100% winner for us. A nice $350 or so. All right, Boeing currently trading around 245.50. You have resistance up here around 260, but you also have a little bit of action here right around 250.70s. We have to see if we can work our way back up there. Currently riding that 9-day EMA. Below that is going to be 241. Below that, it's going to be that 50-day moving average. NVIDIA up around 1.3% right now, 771. This is crazy. Ever since we broke out here this first week of June, we weren't sure if this was going to hold or not. And that was when it was what, 680, 688. And then currently just bam, just kept going. So we're currently up at 770 right now. RSI 77. Stochastics in here 88. American Airlines, we're still going to be long here because we're super overbought. RSI, how low can it get? Stochastics, how low can it get? Not sure, but we broke down out of this ascending triangle. But it looks like there's a little bit of support here at the 2190s, the 22 area. All of this right here, there's something here, but it's just it's been just kind of angering. It just kind of angers you the past like 2 weeks, just kind of sitting here. So we have to see if we can work our way back above that 9-day EMA and that 50-day moving average. They're both currently trading right around 22.50. Tesla as well. You got some volume buzz in here. RSI in here is going to be a little bit overbought as well. Stochastics currently trading around 673. Resistance is still going to be at that 695. Your support here at 654. A little bit of no man's land in here. So we'll have to wait and see if this 673 does hold. If not, we got to fill this gap back down to the 650. But all in all, decent little run here ever since the end of May. It got a little choppy here. In between the 600s and the 630s there for about 2 weeks. But after we broke out above that 50-day moving average, just kind of no stopping. And then we have to see what happens this week going forward. So right around a $40 expected move in here. Morgan Stanley currently trading 88.54. Still a little bit overbought in here. We're still bullish on banks and financials this week. So we'll see what happens in here today. We have to hold this 9-day EMA, currently trading right around 87.89. If we scroll down a little bit further, we have Amazon currently up around 0.35% in the pre-market, trading right around 34.13. That 9-day EMA is where it's all going to be at. Kind of have support down here right around, what is this? 33.80 or so. Micron, we do have earnings in here this Thursday, Wednesday or Thursday, I believe. And we're currently trading right around 82.69. We should get a nice run into here. Look for the 85s. this week. If not, then it's definitely going to be 84. And but most importantly of all, we are right above this 50-day moving average. So we have to hold that going forward for a nice move into earnings. Below that, it is going to be this 9-day EMA right here, currently trading around 80.40. All right. So what else do we have? We have Ford, we have Apple up just barely. Everything's pretty much flat. Let's see what our biggest gainers are on the day. Let's just see. We have Snap-on currently trading at 238. We have DRE up around 5%, ESS 5%. We have NRG up around 3%, Federal up around 2%, Etsy up around 2% as well, currently trading right around 188. We mentioned that 184 support slash resistance that we needed to fill, or that we did fill. And now we're just trying to build off that. Might get a little bit of consolidation in here. Fox up around 2%, Viacom up around 2% as well. All right. So what about our biggest losers for the day? All right. Well, where are we at now? Boeing down right around 1.3%. Carnival down around 242. VTR are down right around 3% as well. ICE are down 1%. Alta down 0.8. And then Oxy, everybody is hopping on the Oxy train, down around 1%. Oxy in here, beautiful, beautiful little triangle that we created. Boom, nice pop. And then now we went up to almost that $33 range. Just kissed it a little bit. And now we are going to be heading back down. It looks like relatively overbought on stochastics. RSI is only 65. So a little bit of consolidation here, a little bit of pullback, reset that RSI stochastics, boom, and then we can get a nice little pop in here going forward. All right, last but not least, let's talk about AMC because that's what everybody wants to talk about. Oh my gosh, currently trading at 54.60 right now. RSI in here 49, stochastic 60. Again, we have to fight this 9-day EMA. It seems like we've been riding it for the past couple weeks. Above that, it will be this fib level here right around 58. That's your 23.6 fib level for our first resistance. Support is going to be at that 38.2 right around 50 bucks at $50. That's at your big psychological level too. So if we can get back down to $50, it would be interesting to see if we bounce hard, always kind of break through and head back down to that 50% fib retrace where we had previous support before, right around that 41 and a half, $42 range. But anyway, that is our morning wake up call today. If you guys are interested into more trade ideas analysis sent via text straight to your phone, also be a part of our chat room, daily blogs, and analysis. Feel free to sign up at initiativebrand.com. Only $8 per week, 7-day free trial. Sign up now. Link is in our bio everywhere. Initiative Brand at Initiative Brand, initiativebrand.com. And I will talk to you guys later. For Initiative, I am Dustin Fugate. Thanks, guys.